All right, guys. It is 7:53 p.m. July 13th. It's a nice breezy 80 degrees out. So I'm gonna do a dry fitting for our shower, and hopefully I can get this done in 10 minutes. So let's see. So I have some papers I got from like $1.25 Dollar General, whatever, the $1.25 store. I got those from there. I want to see about putting them on this pallet right here next to the house, and then brace the shower head up there, or nail the shower head up there. All right, so this is coming right from the tank. What can y'all see? Let me see what my thing is. All right, so oh good. All right, so I'm gonna use this thick piece of wood. I have my white tape to wrap the fittings if it works. These are the pavers. These $1.25 pavers, 12 by 12. Oh, they were $3? No, they were. Damn, right, $3? 3, 6, 9, 12. Oh, I guess they were $3. All right, so let's try to get this a little bit going. Oh, that one feels a little weak. Okay, I won't stand on that one. Uh-oh, let me get it off my line. Oh, rocks. More rocks. All right, that's like that. And I probably, this shower head been with me for a while. Probably got it from Walmart at some point in life, I think. A Delta, I don't know. But anyway, you can see I need to put the white tape around it. This is coming straight from the 3,000-gallon water tank. And I'm going to brace it. Try to get it like this. You know how high I'll need it. It's plugged. So I'll have to probably, all right, that'll be enough. Look tall enough. No, not really. That means I have to get close like this. And pull it over some like this. Means I have to get close. So I want to put it on something coming out. Or if it'll just, if I use the zip tie, I guess about right here, let it fall out some. Because these showers, you got to be able to walk away from it. Like if it's just running or dripping, get out from under it, wash your hair. So I need to step back some. So I don't want it to be like coming right out like this. And it's big enough platform to rock side to side. I'll be able to move it. So that's that. Let's see what these papers, if I can get them lined up. Then I don't really need it under it. So let me start back here. See what I got. And these papers, I'll just sink a 3-inch nail, possibly 3-inch nail straight through there. Straight down into the pallet. Oh, that's definitely, and I got 3 more. That worked out. Even though I paid $3 for them, I thought I was, all right. That works out. And I think I'll just bring them all the way to the side. Oh no, that's a drop off, a little lip. And then this, yeah, I can just sink those with nails. That's an even floor. I can get the hose underneath and up. Can't get the hose underneath and up. No, it doesn't look long enough. So it has to go all the way through from underneath. I think that's it. All right. We're gonna do a power. I'm gonna cut it on. See the power that comes out. So let's come over here. Where we at? 5 minutes. That's good. All right. So I'm gonna hit the power switch, but I'm only gonna cut. Oh, I don't even have that one plugged up, guys. So let me get the power cord or this one plugged in. There we are. There we are. That's plugged up. That hose, it's on. Let's see. Y'all heard that? That one is on. Whoa! Shower. Shower. So it's coming out of here. Of course, I need to tape that. But let's see if I press this on and off. Whoa. Whoa. We got shower, guys. So if I put it, yeah, like that, it's hitting at the floor. All right. All right. Whew, that water is cold. All right. So let's cut that off. And that's not all the power. I learned not to cut this all the way on. Y'all see I barely turn that knob. Cause look. Y'all hear? No, we not doing that much water. All right, that's that. I stopped it. Y'all, I have over 1,400 gallons in here right now. I still have 400 right there. So I'm gonna be up to here 1,800. I don't know when I'm gonna go get some more, but I'm doing good on water. This is a 3,000 gallon tank. I'm doing good on water. So, all right. So that's that. That looks good. I'm not worried about that. So I have to finalize it, making some drilling those flush into the wood. And then, let me see if I just open y'all up a little more. Drop y'all legs, make y'all tighter, because the wind blows so much, y'all. I just bought this tripod. Well, this is the most recent one I purchased, and I'm not trying to get it all broken, because the wind will come right in your face and take that thing right down. All right, so there we are. That should be enough. All right, so let me get this tied up. What my plans are, I'm going to use these zip ties for screws. You see it's a zip, and then you can screw it. So that's what I plan on using. I didn't even bring the screws. Oh, yes, I did. What I did was bought these Tech self-drilling with the heads on for the, it says to metal, but I don't want the water going in the house. Dag, I got different ones. And oh, there they are. So I want that little lip on there. It's not a rubber seal or anything, but it'll flush it up against the house. So let's see what we can do. If let's get this hose running underneath. So that was pretty good. What y'all think? So of course this is old. Take that that off, that tape off. But I need to run this through the underneath real quick. What y'all think about this so far?
Mom, what are you doing?
Outdoor shower. It'll be cold. One day it'll be one day it'll be warm, and one day it'll be up to
Cold.
inside hot water, on demand hot water, or it'll be inside. But for now, these hot summers, midday baths or something.
Midday baths or morning baths or nighttime baths. Anytime bath, Mommy.
Yep.
Mom, that's outside.
What is stopping this? Did an ant go up my leg? No. What is something in between the ground and the pallet?
Guys, I don't know what's going on. Why you guys see me?
There we are. Oh my goodness. All right. So move, Charlotte. So I have to put the white tape around here and hang this plug out the way. So I could drop it in one of these bricks. Put the head on there. I gotta put the head on here. With the white tape. So what did I do? The white tape bag blow away. Where is? There it is.
Okay.
All right. There we are. Put that in the bag so it won't blow away. And all right. Get this dry. The homemade dryness there. All right. And this is going to screw in that way so as it gets tighter. So I need to go this way. Oh, that's pretty wide. All right. Pull it a little tight. Get it a little thick on there. Uh-oh, it's trying to cover up the hole. And all right, thick enough. Twist that back on here. Didn't I go the wrong way? What is this? It doesn't look on there straight. Oh, I did wrap it on there the wrong way. All right, that's straight, and that's getting on there all the way. All right, that's better. And we gotta wrap this down here, both of them. All right, so for this, I had to get a connection for this shower head. This is what I was gonna plumb the inside sink with, but I didn't need it. But I bought two of these. They're step downs, smaller from water hose to whatever size this is. I think it's half. But let's go ahead and put some tape on these because this appears to work. So I need tape on both sides of these. Forgot which way is twisting on, but it'll work regardless. So get that nice and tight and thick. So several times. And I don't even know how much this white tape costs. I just know I need it and buy it. Bought some more. I think I got several of them around here. Okay, that side is done. Let's do this other side. No, it's just one of them things I have multiple of, I guess. I have multiples of these too. These heads, I bought more than one. I live 2 hours from El Paso, guys. So I was like, just give me two, just in case. And I'm glad I did. So that's that, nice and thick. Put it back in the bag. I don't know why. All right, twist this guy on here straight and beautiful. Beautiful. Oh man, did I bring my pliers? Ugh. Sophia, you know what pliers are?
No.
All right, let me go get the pliers. I don't know if these are called pliers or wrenches. I don't know what these things are called. What is this?
Winters.
I don't know. So
Call winters.
anyway, let me get that nice and gripped on there.
And tight too.
And tight. Ugh. Now I need to put this in on the water hose. This is the heated. These lines are heated. They came with the tank. The company, waterrunner.com, left them. So, yep, definitely went the wrong way with this. So let me start at this side.
Mommy, is it tight enough? Is it tight enough?
We're gonna see. I'm trying to get it to catch. Ugh.
May turn the wrong way around. Yeah, I may turn that way.
Make sure it's on there straight. There we go. It caught. All right. Where are the pliers? Or whatever these are called. Y'all just let me know in the comments. Can't turn it.
Maybe you always turn that side.
Get twisted, guys.
Mom, maybe you can help there?
That needs some help.
Mom, can I help you? Can I help you? Hey, can I help you?
No.
Okay, you said no.
I don't know if that's tight, guys.
Yeah.
Ouch, that hurt my hand though. All right, so we'll give it another go.
Tomorrow?
Nope, let's hurry up. Try to get at least one of these on. See if I can get. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just run this zip tie through there. You hear that? And then I'll be able to hang that where I say. I don't know where, but here. Then I can nail it there. But I wanted it to hang a little bit like that, right? So let's pull this a little tighter. I don't know if it's gonna work, guys. I don't know.
It might have.
So, all right. We'll see. I didn't even see if it'll go through the hole.
Did it?
Oh, it did. All right. Let's see. It's gonna be tall enough for me. That tall. Yeah, that tall. But I want to be able to move out the way. So I think I'm gonna put it on this row here, the bottom. All right, Sophia. You want to help? You want to help?
4, 3, 2, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, we're gonna do it. Bingo. Going in. Oh, I don't think it's long enough. These nails. Because, oh, they barely in. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do the next one with a regular nail. 'Cause that is just not the biggest. let me turn this way.
Might need it or just Josh. This is Josh. Josh.
Yep. Hold up. Is he gonna let me turn it? All right, that's that. Let me get a longer nail. See if I got one right here. Please have a longer nail. Yes. But this will go straight in the house. Like, yo, that's going straight into the house. Ah.
Oh no, you don't want that to happen.
Well,
you don't want that to happen.
and I do have shorter ones, but
Mom,
then
look, it's dripping.
it's dripping. Yeah. All right.
Water's coming out. You cut the
So-
water on.
Let's do another one here. And yeah, we gonna see. That's going straight into the house, for real. Oh, that looks good, y'all. That looks good. That looks good, y'all. That looks good. All right, one more just for sakes.
That for shakes?
Yep, one more. And I know I had another nail. Yep. One more. We're not using these nails.
What nails?
But we are going around this. Put this in. And let me see. Are y'all capturing this? It's still recording. It's still recording. All right. Let me see. Yeah. All right. So we're going to do one more.
Whoa!
I don't think I'm going to seal the floor tonight on camera. Y'all just have to catch it in the morning courtyard tomorrow. Oh, man, I put this on the wrong way. So the nail got to go on this side. Let me come down, try to brace it down there. So you have to catch it from the morning courtyard. But
Why?
oh, y'all got a shower. Oh, happy. So I'm gonna drop this in this cinder block.
Why?
Keep it from getting wet.
Oh.
And I think that should be enough. I didn't really want to. I could put one right there into the hardwood, but I'll see how that goes. All right, y'all. And let me see if I have one more nail. One more. And I do. So let me show on here how I'm going to do the floor, but I won't do them all on the video here. It's already over 20 minutes. So let me see. I want to do that corner over there. All right. So again, these are what these are from the $1.25 store, whatever, the dollar store. Yep, that's what these are. And let me just put one. This nail is long enough. So actually, I just need to put one in the middle. That's it. Somewhere in the middle. I'm gonna see if I can do that. Y'all see that? It might just takes one. I don't need to make a. Okay, it went through. Let's see if it catch that wood. Yep. Look at that, y'all. Ain't going nowhere. All right. So this is our shower. That piece there only needed one. All right. That's it, guys. So we have an outdoor shower at the back of the house. I may put that tent up right there over it. I'm not sure. Or I might build a wall around it or put up one pallet or two. I don't know. But if I do, I can just nail the pallets right to these things. I'm not even doing nothing special. So that's it, guys. That is our outdoor shower, and I'll pick you guys up in the morning.